I left Mumbai, not permanently. Of course, ups and downs आए हैं. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So basically ये वीडियो पोस्ट होना चाहिए था बहुत बहुत पहले, बट आई एम रीशूटिंग दिस वीडियो बिकॉज मैं 2-3 चीजें मेंशन करना भूल गई थी. सो या, इन दिस वीडियो मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ मेजर लाइफ अपडेट्स जो किसी ने मांगे नहीं है लेकिन मुझे देने हैं, जो पिछले 5-6 महीनों में हुआ है. तो बस मैं रेडी होने वाली हूँ और मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि पिछले 5 महीनों में मैंने क्या क्या किया है. ऑफ कोर्स अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं, बट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू द गुड पार्ट, good things which has happened to me, because why share bad stories? Forget it and move on. So yeah, let's begin. December end में I left Mumbai, not permanently, temporarily. मैं मुंबई से चली गई थी मेरे होम टाउन राजकोट, because in the month of January my brother got married. We have a beautiful bhabhi now. So मेरी सिस्टर आ गई थी कनाडा से, मैं चली गई थी मुंबई से, एंड everyone was coming अलग अलग कॉर्नर से, एंड शादी was beautiful, 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 beautiful. 3-4 दिन की शादी थी, 3-4 इवेंट्स थे, एंड ईच वन ऑफ देम वेर ब्लास्ट. ओके, लाइक क्रेजी हो गया था हम लोग का. I also made that reel which said कि हमारा परिवार में ये चिल्ला है चिल्ला, which is very true because we are a lot of people and बहुत लोग नहीं भी आए थे. So yeah, my brother is now married and we have a bhabhi now. So yeah, second update is I finally got my second tattoo right here on my left hand and close to my heart, because this tattoo is very close to my heart. ये मेरे बड़े भाई बहन और छोटी बहन के लिए है. So this tiny heart you see inside is for my tiny little छोटू sister, and बाकी के दोनों fingerprints है मेरे बड़े भाई बहन के. And this was something I was wanting to get since so long, and I just felt कि मेरी बहन जब इंडिया में होगी तब it will make sense for me to get a tattoo and get her reaction. And her reaction was so beautiful.
I'm no.
I don't need this.
Fingerprint. Sanoni.
આગળ આગળ આવતા રહ્યા.
Pin. Sanu અને Dini. કોને fingerprint? ये तो
કઈ નથી કરતી એનો માટે. અરે એવું થોડી હોય.
हेलो.
थैंक यू सो मच. मतलब मैं ऑन हो गई थी एकदम से, बिकॉज वो कॉन्स्टेंटली बोलते रहे कि मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है कि इसने मेरे लिए टैटू करवा लिया. बट माई सिबलिंग्स हैव नो आइडिया. मेरे बड़े भाई बहन, उनको बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है कि उन लोग की लाइफ मुझे कितनी इम्पैक्ट करती है. दे हैव बिन वर्किंग सो हार्ड फ्रॉम अ वेरी अर्ली एज. I'll just play the clips around of how my sisters have reacted. After the wedding got over, I got my tattoo. सारे functions खत्म हो गए हैं. Almost 1 महीने के बाद I am back in Mumbai because मैं मेरा college छोड़ के गई थी, which was not a good decision I took, but I had to take. Okay, like मैं और क्या करती. Third major update is me and my sister took an international trip to Vietnam. Drum rolls. हम वियतनाम जाके भी आ गए थे, एंड आई डिड नॉट पोस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट बिकॉज सब कुछ iCloud पे अपलोड हो गया है कि मैं उसे डाउनलोड करते करते बूढ़ी हो जाऊंगी. बट आई मेक श्योर कि अगर वीडियो बनता है तो मैं बनाऊंगी, बिकॉज I just wanted out there for our memory, and we had so much fun. Trust me when I say this, we had so much fun. Like हम लोग ने बस खाया है, fruits खाया है, different types of खाना try किया है, and ये पूरा ट्रिप हम लोग ने खुद से प्लान किया था. फ्रॉम फ्लाइट टिकट्स, द प्लेसेस विल गो अराउंड, खाना क्या खाएंगे, रहेंगे किधर, क्या पहनेंगे, सब कुछ A to Z मैंने और मेरी बड़ी बहन ने प्लान किया था. So yeah, then I got my first Vision Foundation. So this unfiltered brand was launched last year in the month of August. If you have not seen my shorts, make sure you watch them. I'll put the link in description. So I wanted to buy this cushion foundation since quite a long. Okay, मतलब जब से launch हुआ था तब से मुझे लेना था. तब I guess around 1200 का था. बट मुझे ना कभी शेड्स नहीं समझती है मेरी ऑनलाइन, ना ही मुझे मेरी कपड़ों की साइजेस समझती है ऑनलाइन. नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट या दैट इज हाउ इट इज. This costed me 1500, but I went to Lilfli event, which was here in Mumbai, and I made sure to get this from their booth. दमी वो जिस तरीके से अपना बिजनेस चला रही है, and the way she is working for her brand is crazy. And even उसकी team, like they are very young, and it's like so proud of seeing other girls of same age like me working so hard. Like मैंने भी इनकी कंपनी में डाला था, but yeah, still manifesting to work with Unfiltered and Impulse and a lot of creators, of course. That is my like dream. मेरा 2026 का गोल था जो अब तक नहीं हुआ है, but fingers crossed. So yeah, moving forward, I attended Mansi Mao's first meet and greet ever. Now the thing about meet and greet is I am someone who follow a lot of creators. Okay, मैंने मेरे 3 सालों में बहुत सारे meet and greet देखे हैं. मैं बहुत सारे influencers से मिली हूँ, creators से मिली हूँ, and I am every time excited to see them. So 28th of February, around around this date, me, Allu, and Saru, three of us attended Mansi Mao's first meet and greet. So, looking at her and the way event was conducted, of course, उसकी family ने उसको बहुत support किया है, उसका उनके husband ने बहुत उसको support किया है. And when I looked at her when I was at the event, I just felt ये कमाया है उन्होंने. Like she has earned all of us. So yeah, the video for Mansi Mao's meet and greet is already posted. Make sure you watch that right now after you complete watching this. उसके बाद I did 2 things which I was looking forward to. पहला पॉडकास्ट कंडक्ट करना. So for the people who don't know, मैं मोशन ग्राफिक्स डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स करती हूँ, but I'm also a content creator, right? And second, I conducted a session. I don't think like वो session था, but I was asked to share my journey as a student, as an outstation student, about my career, my studies, which is advertising, my motion graphics course, and my YouTube. तो बाकी सब चीजें तो बहुत नॉर्मल है, बट when somebody tells you to talk about YouTube, it just makes me feel very good. Like, तो मैंने ना थ्रू आउट द स्पीच एक दो चीजें हाईलाइट की है कि जस्ट डू इट, लाइक गो फॉर इट, स्टार्ट करो, कहीं ना कहीं से यू हैव टू स्टार्ट. So starting में it does get difficult. Like there are not a lot of people to support you. People make fun of you. People don't like what you're doing. But trust me, with time, you are seen as a role model. A little backstory that my dad is someone who is, very much skeptical about the media thing, being on camera. But today, he is my biggest cheerperson, my biggest supporter when it comes to me working, going for shoots or doing YouTube. Although उन्हें some of the times नहीं समझ रहा होता है कि मैं YouTube पे क्या डाल रही होती हूँ, but he just knows that I am doing something I love. I asked my dad one day that what is something you are very proud of in me, एक मेरी quality जो एकदम से proud से आप पूछते हो. And he said this thing कि तुझे ना कुछ चाहिए होता है ना वो तू कर लेती है, no matter what. And this thing is like a quote in my brain कि मुझे ये चीज चाहिए, I'll do it by hook or crook, I will do it. So yeah, I did my podcast and I also conducted a speech which included my content creation journey and my YouTube journey. Moving forward, I started working again. So मैंने आधे एक साल से काम नहीं किया था. Like I used to work in an agency and then I left because I started my classes. But I started working again, and it's a very independent freedom वाली feeling. Okay, trust me when I say this. It's a beautiful feeling to have. मतलब तुम कितना भी कमा रहे हो, starting में you don't get a good chunk of money. You don't, trust me. But you know, working makes you just feel so good, independent, and आपकी skills इतनी develop होती है. So I started my part-time internship again, and I am still doing that work. And this work is always, this company is always going to be closer to my heart. I'll talk about this later someday. But yeah, and recently I also completed my Premiere Pro, and I am currently in my After Effects wala software. So heads up, I am doing motion graphics and I completed my Photoshop and Illustrator, and I have a portfolio. So yeah, as a graphic designer, it's an achievement. Okay. Matlab, I always wanted to do graphic designing, but it needs a lot of practice. I still need a lot of practice apparently, but I'm just so proud that I did it. I just completed my 3 to 4 softwares and I'm just so proud. Okay. And just because I know graphic designing and I am so much into graphic designing, मुझे इतना पसंद है, हमारा एक सब्जेक्ट वाइवा होता है एडवर्टाइजिंग में, जिसमें हम लोगों को एक पूरा ब्रांड का कैंपेन बुक बनाना रहता है. एंड गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज, मैंने मेरा असाइनमेंट A to Z पूरा खुद से, लाइक मेरी क्लासेस में फ्रेंड्स ने हेल्प किए, बट AI की मदद के बिना किया है. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक दिस लाउड एंड क्लियर बिकॉज a lot of people could not do it, but when I am not mocking them कि उनसे क्यों नहीं हुआ, but I was just so happy doing that. तो या ऐसे ही 3 साल खत्म हो गए. मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने 3 साल निकाल ही दिए फाइनली. I'm using a lip liner from Mars in the shade Cinnamon Roll. But finally we are done with our bachelors. मरते मरते हंसते हंसते रोते रोते हो गया. I just don't know what shade of lipstick should I put right now because यहाँ पे मेरे पास इतना ही सामान है और इसमें से कोई शेड तो नहीं जा रहा है. और क्या ये प्रॉब्लम बताने वाली प्रॉब्लम है? This is the best lipstick I could do. So moving forward, I got my first stipend. Not a stipend, salary बोल सकते हैं हम, because stipends तो मुझे मिल चुके हैं. मैं FY से internships कर रही हूँ. But this time it was something different because it was not a usual amount. Like 50-60 हज़ार नहीं है, please. वो भी होगा एक दिन. But it was an amount big for me because मैंने जो internships की है वहाँ पे I just feel you know internship का concept is just not right. तुम्हारे पास skills है, तुम्हारा काम अच्छा है, but you get paid इतना सा. But that's okay, it's a learning phase, no hate. ऐसा होता रहता है, जैसे किसकी सोच. But this first time I decided to you know save up this amount and I just gave it to my dad and it was like such a beautiful feeling. मेरा खर्चा उससे ज्यादा होता है, but you know वो पैसे मुझे से घर पे देख के एकदम independent girl वाली feeling आई है. Last but not the least, drum rolls, please. पहले देख लेते कुछ भूल तो नहीं गए. So before I tell you the last major thing which I did recently, I guess I have shared everything. So yeah, last but not the least, I'm so excited to show you. I have got my first MacBook. इसमें रखा है, दिखा रही हूँ. And as I said, मैं मेरे बड़े भाई बहन को बहुत मानती हूँ. This was from my elder brother. Like, look at this baby. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. I just love it. This is MacBook Pro 16-inch and it is very heavy for me. I am a tiny baby. If you know, you know. But yeah, I also got a mouse. I am also supposed to buy other stuff which I'll be needing for storage and pen drive stuff and all. But yeah, this cute napkin is from my best friend Nanika Khandelwal because उसे पता है मैं मेरे आईपैड को, मेरे लैपटॉप को कितने बच्चों से संभालती हूँ। तो पहले ये नैपकिन आईपैड पे यूज होता था, अभी आईपैड के लिए आई बॉट अदर वन. But yeah, I'm just so grateful because yeah, I have a Mac and I have an iPad. Yeah, it was just something I wanted to share because it's very close to my heart and it really makes me happy. But I have to make sure that now I work hard from these devices and earn back a lot of good money. So yeah, I think मैंने major of चीजें बता दी है. I just hope I did not overshare. But yeah, last but not least, let's get done with my look because we are getting late, guys and girls and boys. Just show you my final look. Wait for it. So yeah, this is my final look. This is my final look. I am wearing this detachable kurti situation. It also has a corset, but मैं अकेली हूँ अभी तो वो snatch look नहीं आ रहा है. But I'll still show you guys. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. And I know this video was very much cluttered. मैं ready भी हो रही हूँ, मैं बातें भी कर रही हूँ, but I just hope you get the intention of the video. I just wanted to give you a heads up about what has happened so far, and I'll keep posting videos शादी के या वियतनाम के अगर iCloud से डाउनलोड होते हैं तो मुझे लगता नहीं है ये साल में होगा मुझसे. But yeah, I'll try posting other videos. Until then, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram. So yeah, just keep working hard, keep dreaming and love yourself. अगर आप अब तक देख रहे हो तो आप बहुत अच्छे हो, बहुत प्यारे हो. See you soon.